An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 killed 950 people in Afghanistan early on Wednesday, disaster management officials said, with more than 600 injured and the toll expected to grow as information trickles in from remote mountain villages. Wednesday's quake was the deadliest since 2002. It struck about 44 kilometers from the southeastern city of, near the border with Pakistan, the U.S. Geological Survey said. Taliban Supreme Leader expressed grief over the loss of life and directed all concerned officials and departments to take immediate steps to give relief to the affected families. The death toll is likely to rise as some of the villages are in remote areas in the mountains and it will take some time to collect details. Shaking was felt by about 119 million people in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center said.